There are many young people strengthening their faith, observing Shabbat and putting on tefillin, but in private they'll tell me the truth. I started observing Shabbat and wearing tefillin. But with my parents I behave the same, disrespectful, insulting and rude, and it hurts them. He realizes that the same 10 commandments that say to keep Shabbat also obligate you to honor your parents. I tell them the advice for this is to remember there are 3 partners in a person: God, their father, and their mother. In other words, when you see your father, you see your mother, feel as if you are seeing God. Why? Your parents and God are partners in creating you. The only situation where you should not listen to your parents is if they tell you to commit a sin, like stealing or desecrating Shabbat. In this case, you should not obey them, as they too are obligated to honor God's commandments. But if your parents ask you for something, even if they shout at you, think, if the Creator was here, would I shout? Would I be disrespectful? If God revealed himself, obviously I would honor him. Secondly, buy a book of Jewish laws on the laws of honoring parents, and every day for 5 to 10 minutes study the laws. The very act of studying is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is also a constant reminder to honor one's parents. 5 or 10 minutes every morning, it's so important. Schools too, the teachers should teach the children the laws of honoring parents. The very fact that children learn the laws means that in moments of trial, they will also know how to apply them.